The next person who should be in your prayer topic. And you'll be surprised it is coming from me. And it is coming from me because the Spirit of God urges me to tell you. So I'm telling you. Bidinyanku pomo bruhon epacho. Who bompire? Bompire ma President John Mahama. Midinyame dinsro. Who bompire? Bonidin. President John Mahama. Papa ni many tatani so. Macram. Who bompire? Papa ni din. Ne bompire mam. Bonidin John Mahama. Ne bompire. Aye nyina ye bone cheye. Ne hu ne mompo. Ne chen. Adunti eme. Adunti eme. Bonidin bompire mam. The land is crying blood. If it's time we copy December, we a Christonia a masula na bayandara. Li cabre anderebe. Ba buttons, who jare buttons, so to came up buttons. Command your ways, command thy steps. We a Christonia. They have I can't say what God has not permitted me to say. Buttons. That's all I can say. Buttons, because I'm telling you. I am telling you. Your sophobia, they have made up their mind. Say, Omun can't send me many pebi medi o maten. Ebini ojaba. Aya. A priest at Trade has confirmed what if. Oh, mommy, me ya kola kete no. Me mommy timi nyane me afia. E de na ye no aso. De na Yankopon ka. What I am saying, I know what I saw. And I know what I'm saying. And I'm also saying, someone call accident scene ho. And correction kolano. What you miss sa wo munina. Mon koya mamre ho. Mon ko ho. En koya mamre. E wo sasase no so. Mon ko ho. Minim krom ho. Muntio me interpreting me die no. Minim kromo. Minim baby kwakwa asem si ye, but ensuo be wo kromo. Minim kromo. Minim baby a asem si ye, but ensuo be eben kro no. Mon konsuo nim. I'm speaking as a woman of God. E kwankwa mini ni di on se fe no ogogo se Munku kromo ensuo bi okromo nkoya mamre. Also, I'm saying it for the 20th time. Enkola no baako body, part of the body bi aka mon hwehwe na mo fankoto. Nkolano nko back to baby accident this year no. I'm saying it again. Na mo nko hwe scatter the whole area and be very certain. Scatter the whole area and be very certain. Finally, Munko ya mame. Munko ya mame. Munko ya mame. Munko ya mame. Munko. Mede minim komo, minim hwe. Enra se minim de besia enka me chechire nsem bi mu. But thank God, me no me ni asofo bi edidi. Me daye ba kum yenu ho nkomo. I saw it clear as daylight. Me se minim kromo. Enkwala na musie wo mo. Enkwala ne bi bodies anaba ku body. Aka na wojina ho a wo su eje na ade eno ye one. Enti mon san ko ba bi accident ni si ye no. Na mon ko hwehwe ho yie. Na mon nya mamre ni asede. Mo recognizing kwala no. Eni Ghana mpanifo na kasa. Enti sa. Sa wo fu plane akokumase a, you're careful. You're very careful. Masaka bi. Sa so for small boy bi na okotena Angel TV. Say Angel Radio. Prophet Roger bi no. Mon kan chense mi hia no ate. E pese me cheche me da ye bi mu kira no. Sa de na wo hu ye no. Ohun safo no minim no obi pa wo interview no ohun omane bo amade no first and ohun plane crash no omane bo amade no na esi plane crash na nkasa safo no hu ye no ense ye eye passenger flight if you Accra and you Kumasi and you Kumasi never if Accra and you Kumasi a passenger flight. I saw it clear as I am about to see daylight. Minimum airline crumple. Again, na memo. Minimum airline no. Minimum airline no, because I saw it in my dream as a seat na mirror news. Na plane na e wire no na ya trodi no no the company no na no company and I saw it clearly. I saw it. Minka. Pray for yourself. Cover yourself with the blood of Jesus. Cover yourself with the blood of Jesus. If you're about to board a domestic aircraft, think again. Na ye ka hu mo na me catch aviation minister. Ghana aviation minister, minim do in charge of aviation. Domestic flights na ko Kumasi no. Moko now I'm making sure say all the airline checks, all the airlines, all the aircrafts that flies from Accra to Kumasi, to be precise, they are up to date in terms of their servicing and their checks. Whoever is in charge of aviation, I don't know. Whoever is in charge of aviation, I don't know. You should be very, very, very certain that that airline and our aircraft in the Kumasi, they are service, they are proper. We will fly with the trust. Can't imagine if you be so. Me the Queen Afia Schwarzenegger. Who bompire means to Bobby Mammy. Vampire. I will need it. Have a beautiful day. Have a blessed day. The next person who should be in your prayer topic. And you'll be surprised it is coming from me. And it is coming from me because the Spirit of God urges me to tell you. So I'm telling you. Bidinyanku pomo bruhun epacho. Who bompire ma President John Mahama.